how to set up AI on your WhatsApp for your Shopify brand. So go to Dondy, install Dondy in Shopify App Store. Then go to Manage AI Agents. Then think like this is your new employee, your sales, your support employee that can work 24 hours in every language. So when you have a new employee, you need to give him instruction, guidelines. What do we do? What do we sell? How to react on each use case when someone asks for refund, big use case. Just explaining what is the flow, and you can just write here all the things you want your new employee to know. Then you have the fallback message. When you don't know the answer, then you can pass it to his manager. He can tell that customer support will check it later. You can tell them to send email. So this will be the message that you will set up for the fallback message. Then there is the FAQs. This is the data for the AI to learn from. So you will have as much as question and answers that you can. For example, when my store is open, how much this is cost, is it FDA approved? So here you will set up all the question and answers. Then your AI will start talking to your customer when they reach out on WhatsApp, and it will close more sales, will help you to work less time on support. And good luck.